Simple things are your blessings. Simple things, them are your blessing, your blessing. Simple things, them are your blessing. You better notice your blessings. We've got life, so let's live. You make the time for chase the paper. When last you say your prayer. We've got life, so let's live. And while you're worshiping your treasure, remember nothing.
Morning! We're loaded up and we're ready to go. It's the day before. Oh my god, I can't believe it, you guys. They told me I wouldn't be able to wake up this morning, and I'm me one first to wake up this morning. Your daddy boat.
What time is it?
I'm like, it's 5:35. Oh my gosh. So yeah, gonna head there now, start to decorate, and then yeah, see what happens for the day. I need a belt for my dress. I need a shoes, because I don't have no, even if it's simple, I don't have no nice looking slippers right now. And then my jewelry, which I could have went by yesterday, but my auntie wasn't telling me what color my dress was. She said it was a surprise, so now that I know, I can go and buy my stuff. So that's what we're doing. So when I get to the venue, we'll come back. Daddy, say good morning. Are you excited? Are you nervous? Daddy, this is our last day. It's just us. This is it. This is it. Why you have to do this and ruin our lives now? Like, big 28. Not for going with my father. Literally going with. So yeah, I'm gonna cherish this last couple of hours. You go on a date?
It's my night here.
Can we go on a date? But I never said you had to pay. I could pay for you.
No, but it's my night.
Yeah, but
it's my night, so we can go on a date.
Oh, okay. You have to still make time for me. You understand? I was the first woman in your life.
Yeah.
That you ever loved, like love. I mean, you love your mother, but you know, me, Zoe, Latifah, Brianna Brown, I always get any better than that. So we're picking up someone right now. Bless you. And then heading over there. So yeah, Tigger's gonna have to put this in the back.
Yeah, bless it.
Finished. I'm done. My work almost. I just have to finish here, the backdrop, do a little bit more for the head table. This is the photo frame for tomorrow. Goody is booked and busy, okay? Yes, I'm out here in Jamaica. Came out so good. I have to just finish the table numbers. And yeah, my work here is officially finished. Can't wait to get paid, yeah? Can't wait. So guys, when I see what time I wake up this morning, I wake up 5:30 and it's now almost 10 o'clock. First thing I eat, and then pick up daddy on himself anyway. I could have sworn he was making dumpling. Well, I'm gonna take the food anyways. This is the rotisserie chicken that we got yesterday and some fry bread fruit. Bon appetit.
We call you and you tell her.
Need light?
Yeah, where's the light?
It's there. It's there. It's daylight savings. Where they pull over a bus?
Yeah, let's check the bus then, man. What happens is that the people choose to travel like in a bus and then something.
And then hide the stuff there,
Yeah,
I guess.
yeah.
State of an emergency. Wow. Calm, guys. Did you? Oh, now you not tell the people them say what you did there for how much years? The supporters were asking, where is your brother? Where is Tajil? We miss him in the vlogs. I said, people, oh no, say, before I come to Jamaica, I tell everybody who is important to me that I are coming, that they need to come. Tajil, I tell Tajil, make sure he's at daddy's house when I are coming, oh, yeah? Tajil, me not send you that message there? Eh? Okay. Alright. Let me skip fast forward. Let me go to the last time I did come down here. When me did that on the plane, me never tell you say if you're there by your mother house for come look drive and reach up because of 4 hours it's gonna take me to reach Jamaica. No sir? No sir. Okay. Okay. People, he doesn't like us down here. He only likes his mom and his sister and his brother on his mom's side. He doesn't business about anybody down here. So this is why you guys do not see Tajil. So cherish this moment, because as to when this will happen again, I don't know. Ma I be right or me wrong? Tell me if me leave out nothing. Eh? You not answer me? Ma I be right? Talk to me nice. Yeah. So yeah, I have it right. So that means I was correct when I said him don't business about anybody down here. I just up and people them. Yeah. So yeah, so you guys more than likely won't be seeing Tajil in my vlog. So this might be the last of him and you guys will see. Anyhow, as I said, we just got home. Daddy said we have about an hour before we go in town and go get what we need to get. He has to come back up to go to Trelawney, and I have to come back up and finish decorating at the hall. So yeah, but it's been a productive day so far, considering all that we got done. I have to finish setting up the tables. We have to put the glasses on the table. I have to do the balloon columns, see if I can figure something else out for the centerpieces, and then yeah. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, so there was this YouTuber on YouTube. Oh my gosh, baby, forgive me if I pronounce it wrong, but is he calling me? His name is spelled RHO''Jane. So I think it's Rojane or it's Rojane, but I'm gonna say Rojane. And he's a YouTuber from Montego Bay. And we've been conversing, like, you know, through Instagram, stuff like that. He's subscribed to my channel. I'm subscribed to his. And there's not really a lot of Montagonians that vlog or do YouTube or whatever. At least not that I'm aware of. I only know a few. So, I let him know I was going to be coming out here for the holidays. And we agreed that we would link up or whatever. But he messaged me since I came down and was like, his work schedule probably wouldn't let it permit or whatever. But tell me where my dad's event is. Literally, when we were walking outside, I was walking out and I'm like, wait. I'm like, wait. So I ran up to him, gave him the biggest hug. Like, I was just like, what? I would not have expected to see you right out here. But he lives within the area. So it was really... Oh my God, the way God works is just amazing. So if anything, if him not do nothing tomorrow, I'm just tell him to pass through, get some food and stuff like that. Yes. And come through, because literally where he was standing is where, you know, the thing is that normally when you wait for a bus or a taxi, see a place where you stay out, that's normally nearby where you live. So yeah, so I'm gonna link him. And if you guys are not subscribed to his channel, I'll put his channel information down below. You guys go over to his channel and subscribe. Tell him I sent you. And yeah, I was so excited. Like, I want to meet. I'm supposed to meet up with so many people. I just hope it happens, because I literally have like a week left. Maybe I haven't bought my plane ticket to go back up yet. But yeah, that was a highlight of the day. That was my highlight of my day so far. I was so happy to meet you, Jane. Oh my God, I can't believe it happened like that. Like, I'm so happy. So yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna go get ready and then come back and talk to you guys. Guys, good afternoon. It's still the same day. We just got in slightly in town. We're at Fairview Shopping Center. Little family outing. the last one, literally. When meeting the Browns only consisted of a little bit amount of us. Now they're gonna expand. Oh yeah. You guys know how I feel, like true deep down inside. It's like so bittersweet tension. Oh my God. Anyways, so yeah. Hey, I know you're gonna see your fiance, but you can slow down. Don't, you know? I'm still here. Thank you. He's so rude. He bought her slippers. Oh, he's rushing. I'm gonna have to go give her slippers. Daddy never rush. Can't give me slippers yet. Never. So sad. Daddy, you never rush. Can't give me nothing.
Everything.
Daddy, don't lie.
Every single thing.
You see, I'm out tonight, bad road people, with my bad foot. And him knows I cannot walk with such fast pace anymore. I am broken.
Oh, no, I thought it was old.
No, I'm not old. I'm broken. I'm broken. I have 3 more years till my age is off of the calendar. My age will no longer be on the almanac. It's so sad and depressing.
Somebody in the run down, man.
What?
I want to be independent.
No, Daddy. I want it to be legal to drink. Yes. Exactly. So that is 19. I couldn't stop this, so I never want past this. So look how much responsibility I have for me now. It's too much. Anyways, guys, it's so busy everywhere. There's traffic everywhere because it's Christmas. You cannot pay attention. You and your daddy cannot pay attention. Oh my God. Me, not this time. Just because my elder will jump off our bridge does not mean I will follow. Okay? I love my life. I love my life. But yeah, it's busy. Later. Here, because it's too busy. My feet are sweat. I should I never wear them slippers, yeah. Then you can get me a slippers. It's beginning to lag. I pray to God I ain't got no phone issues because okay, Anyhow, we're going in town now. Van back live. Everybody doesn't want to be on camera anymore. I don't understand what the problem is. He said he doesn't like hearing himself. Well, I told him he sounds just like a regular human being. Like there's nothing serial about anything that he's doing. What? What was he doing? Did you see him?
No, he won't come over in this way. What made that taxi money question?
Oh my god. So yeah, Van back live, talk to my eyes. We have whole heap of things to do. We have to get a suit for Tajil. We have to get, I was about to be like, oh, I can't say because I haven't said anything on Snap as of yet. Or anywhere, honestly, only in the vlogs or people who know. And I appreciate everyone who knew and like never bust a secret, especially Sammy and Sandy, because Lord Jesus, them know so them mouth can't well nothing. But what was I gonna say? Yeah, I'm gonna go get Tajil's suit. I need a belt, accessories and slippers, and then we just have some like last minute stuff to go and get. I pray to God we go back to Mega Mart because I want the next smoothie. The limeade flavor was so scrumdiddliosis. Yo, I'm sweating, people. It's hot for Christmas. It's hot, and I'm sick and I'm still tying up. Bombard, me soon come.
Oh God! Oh my God! Oh, hallelujah!
Shopping in Jamaica.
You want to see the outfit? The last outfit Nicki Minaj wore on when she went to Kansas City. The same night she took a plane from Kansas City back to Philadelphia. And of course, I can't believe Top Mark got the outfit. This is it! Nicki Minaj, Chapika. I want to hear out of here. I want the phone. I'll tune up your live phone and I'll show you. Live.
Oh my God.
Live Nicki Minaj outfit to the pearls. Just like it on approach. Oh.
Here. KFC. Funny, they might make fun of me, but when I look for my barbecue chicken, they never have wings, but we get barbecue chicken and is my, where's the popcorn chicken?
The coleslaw, you know.
Yeah, where's all the stuff? Oh, you take up bag and make sure it's everything they pan it.
Go get this up, man.
Small coleslaw. It's supposed to be 2 coleslaw and a popcorn chicken.
When I look at where I'm coming from,